Hello, my name is Roy Johnson, and we are here to celebrate the marriage between my friend Damon Moats and his now wife, Corinne Fuchs. Sorry, Corinne, I know I've had a little bit of fun at the expense of your last name. Uh, as some of us know, I've known Damon since I was in seventh grade. He was my first friend in Minnesota, and that being said, Damon and I have went through most of the awkward stages of life, spanning from middle school all the way to young adulthood. We've both carried each other both figuratively and literally through rough circumstances and been there for each other when times were good as well. Um, Corinne, though, I haven't known as long. Corinne, as you guys know, is a nurse at the Mayo Clinic, and that leads to compassion, which I feel is one of the paramount characteristics of a good marriage. That followed by understanding, which both Corinne and Damon possess, with each other and with other people. The first night I met Corinne, it was kind of a sad circumstance. My dog fell ill and was dying, and I watched Corinne help my mom take care of my animal, my pet. Um, she spent 4 to 6 hours on the garage floor with my mom, feeding my dog aspirin and water and caring for my mom and my dad and me. And at that point, I knew she was going to be a great wife for my friend. I knew she was going to be a great wife and probably an even better mother. Um, I am thoroughly pleased that I know both of them. They are both fantastic people, and I wish them luck on all future endeavors. I know they're buying a house now, and they both have good jobs at the Mayo Clinic, and soon are going to be trying for a child. And I think that child is lucky. I think that child will be lucky to have both Damon and Corinne as parents, and I think they're both very lucky to have each other. Um, with that, congratulations to both of you, and I'm so happy to know both of you.